Hi everyone, my name is Jordy and welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus. These are true wireless adaptive noise cancelling earbuds with high-res audio. SoundPeats released them in August of 2024 and they are currently priced at $90. The specifications sound promising, so let's dive in and test these SoundPeats earbuds. And if you don't want to miss my future reviews after this one, I would like you to join me on this tech journey by subscribing to my channel. The SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus come in a simple compact box with key specifications listed. The charging case is nicely presented and the accessories are at the top of the box. The Capsule3 Pro Plus includes the user manual, an USB-A to USB-C cable, 2 extra sizes of ear tips, and some cool panda stickers. While the accessories are fairly standard, I would have liked to see more ear top options, as other brands include more nowadays. The design of the charging case is a familiar oval shape with a gold accent on the SoundPeats logo. I do like the gold accent, but the golden text on the front feels a bit cheap in my opinion. One downside is that fingerprints show up quickly. Overall, the case feels good, but not premium. I'm more impressed with the earbuds themselves. They feature a stem design with a matte finish and gold accents, which looks nice and premium. The earbud shape is slightly larger than other stem designs, providing a better grip. The magnets are strong, making it almost impossible to remove the earbuds with a shake test. Each earbud weighs 5 grams and the charging case weighs 38 grams, totaling 48 grams. The Capsule3 Pro Plus uses Bluetooth version 5.3 and does not mention multi-point connectivity. The PeatsAudio app offers a double device connection feature, which serves the same purpose. The earbuds are IPX4 rated, meaning they are resistant to sweat and light rain but don't have dust protection, limiting their use in some situations. You can control the audio with the touch panels on the earbud stems. They are responsive and can be used for single tap, double tap, triple tap and long press actions. The case features a Type-C port and offers 43 hours of total playtime. The earbuds last 5 hours with ANC enabled and 8.5 hours with ANC turned off. A full charge takes 1 hour, but with a 10-minute charge you can get 4 hours of playtime. The charging case is a light indicator showing battery life, which is very useful. Unfortunately, it does not support wireless charging. The Capsule3 Pro Plus feature XMM speakers and 12mm dynamic drivers. They support high-res wireless audio, but only with the LDAC codec. Keep in mind that to enjoy high-res audio, you will need a device that supports LDAC and Android 8 or higher. LDAC also reduces the battery life. For those who want to use these earbuds for gaming, they offer a gaming mode, which ensures that the audio latency is brought back to 70 milliseconds. Keep in mind that this also reduces the battery life of the earbuds. The ANC is marketed as AI adaptive noise cancelling, meaning it adjusts to your surroundings with the help of AI. In the PeatsAudio app there's only one ANC mode alongside a normal mode which turns ANC off and a transparent mode, also called pass-through mode, for when you want to hear your surroundings. While listening to the music, the ANC is decent but not great. Without music, it doesn't block out much noise at all. The earbuds have 6 microphones, with 3 microphones per earbud, and the microphone quality is actually good. Here is an example of the audio quality with and without background noise.
This is recorded with the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus microphones, with no background noise. It gives an impression of the microphone quality in a quiet environment. This is recorded with the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus microphones, with background noise. It gives you an impression of the microphone quality in a noisy environment.
I have enjoyed the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus for extended music sessions. The sound is balanced with a powerful bass that isn't overwhelming. Vocals are clear, providing good sound separation. While it's not comparable to higher-end models, the sound quality at this price is impressive. In the PeatsAudio app, you can tweak the audio with 9 EQ presets and an 8-band EQ. The adaptive EQ function allows further customization, though I'm not entirely convinced of its effectiveness. Besides the EQ options, you can enable or disable ANC and transparent mode, as well as customize the touch controls. However, I'm not fond of the PeatsAudio app itself. It works well most of the time, but sometimes it kicks me out of the app, requiring a restart. Additionally, you need to create an account which isn't very user-friendly for simply controlling your earbuds. At $90, the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus are fairly priced. I like the earbud design, the comfortable fit, the long battery life and the high quality microphones. The sound is great for the price and the inclusion of high-res audio with LDAC is a nice addition. However, I personally don't like the charging case design, and the IP rating could be better. The ANC does not meet my expectations, and while the app is usable, it sometimes requires restarting. The need for an account for the companion app is also a minor inconvenience, as most other brands don't require one. I would recommend the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus in specific situations only. They are a good choice for longer sessions in environments with little background noise, or for business calls thanks to the quality microphones. If the negatives don't bother you and you are looking for good sound quality and a long battery life, they are still a great option at $90. Now it's up to you. What do you think of the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus? Or do you already have experience with it? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this and don't want to miss out on upcoming content, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video to let me know which content you enjoy the most. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Have a nice day.